Do you know what I realized after I posted the trailer on my social media? There was a comment. I think it's easily my favorite comment. Somebody came and said, "Gucci, you had me at 12." So in my mind, I was like, "What is?" But then so it made me realize, Gucci, I don't think anyone really knows how they speak until you look at how you speak, right? Yeah, until you actually see it. Because I've been doing, I think this is like my 6th year doing comedy. I've never really thought about how I sounded. But I think this kind of thing is the first time where I actually listened back, but I actually didn't know like how I pronounced certain words. So I actually went back and played and that's actually how I pronounced. I was like, at number 12, I was like, wow, this.
It's 12.
Yeah, but then in my mind I was like, but because I thought I said 12, right? But then I say 12. So and then I realized the reason why I think that is
the mad thing is
you
say 12 the same.
Yeah. So, I don't remember who was telling me this. It's either it was my teacher or it was my mother who said, Gucci, pronounce it how you want to spell it.
That's how I learned how to
Yeah. Yeah, but do you know what I then find worrying is then when people try to change how they speak now because they might think it's like a criticism. But I'm like, I'm turning 29 in September. It's too late in the game to change how we speak now. Like if people that have known me my whole life start detecting a hint of some accent, it will be like, what the, who are? Yeah, like why? It's like why? It's like why? So I just let me actually find who said. Let me find the comment and give it a shout out. Shout out to Princess Zoa. Answered, you had me at 12. It really made me laugh.